The war in Ukraine is a laboratory for the Russian defense industry to test these latest developments in military equipment. In recent days, we have already announced the use of new Russian combat vehicles and combat systems in Ukraine, such as the T-90M tank, BMP-T Model 2017 Fire Support Tracked Armored Vehicle, ISDM Zemlodeliye Mine Laying System, TORM-2DT and Buk M3 Air Defense Missile Systems, Tornado SMLRS 300mm Multiple Launch Rocket System and more. Earlier, along with other light models of Russian-wheeled military equipment, two-axle all-wheel drive Spartak armored vehicles are used in the Special Military Operations Zone. As the military informant Telegram channel notes, these vehicles have proven themselves well there. They are intended primarily for the delivery of personnel, as well as various cargoes. Capacity: up to 12 people. Weight: 14,500 kilograms. Maximum speed is 100 kilometers per hour. Fuel range is 1,000 kilometers. Reinforced armor can withstand small arms bullets, including those fired from heavy machine guns. Measures have been taken to significantly increase protection against mines and landmines. There is a version with a BPU-1 turret, armed with 14.5mm KPVT and 7.62mm P8. A 3-axle version is also known, on which it is possible to install a 57mm cannon of the S-60 complex and a Tornado G multiple launch rocket system. Currently, the Spartak armored car is presented at the Rosoberwen export stand at the World Defense Show 2024 in Riyadh, which began on Sunday. Armored vehicles were developed directly taking into account the experience of special operations in Ukraine. ZSTS Akhmet was first presented at the Army 2022 Forum. The chief designer of the Remdizel enterprise, Igor Zarahovich, said that the armored vehicle was developed in 25 days in order to quickly saturate the troops with protected equipment. The armored car, Spartak, with a carrier body provides protection against armor-piercing incendiary projectiles. In addition, this model can protect the crew of 9 armed soldiers from the explosion of an explosive device weighing the equivalent of 6 kilograms of TNT under the wheel. The Spartak vehicle is designed to carry 9 fully equipped soldiers. The vehicle is equipped with a 12.7mm cord machine gun and a full-turn armored turret. The front and sides of the vehicle can withstand armor-piercing incendiary bullets. The main feature of the multi-purpose armored vehicle, Spartak, is that it was created using chassis components and assemblies proven in serial production of 2-axle army trucks. In addition to reducing the overall cost of the product and operating costs, this allows for a high level of maneuverability, unification and simplified operation. The Spartak armored car is designed to transport 10 people in full gear, including the driver. The design of the armored vehicle is frameless, with a load-bearing single-volume armored body, providing a fairly high level of ballistic and mine protection. The frontal projection ensures that the body and armored glass are bulletproof from the B-32 armor-piercing incendiary bullet of the 14.5 by 114 mm cartridge. The side and rear projections provide bullet resistance from the B-32 armor-piercing incendiary bullet of the 12.7 by 108 mm cartridge. Mine resistance provides protection for the crew from explosions of explosive devices with a power of up to 8 kilograms in TNT equivalent under the wheel or bottom. A high level of ballistic protection is ensured by the use of spaced armor. Mine protection is provided thanks to the V-shaped bottom of the armored hull, the presence of mine-resistant panels, as well as anti-traumatic seats for the crew and troops. For ease of boarding and disembarking of the crew and troops, the armored hull is made of 5 doors with single-leaf hinged doors. A domestic diesel engine, developing a power of more than 300 horsepower, connected to a mechanical 5-speed gearbox with electric pneumatic gear shifting, provides a vehicle with a total weight of 14.5 tons with a maximum speed on the highway of at least 100 kilometers per hour. The large armor volume and high security of the VPK-Ural armored vehicle contribute to the use of this vehicle as a base for the installation of various equipment and its use as an electronic warfare vehicle, a command vehicle, and armored medical vehicle. The designers provided for the possibility of installing a habitable module with 6 seats and a cargo platform. In this case, the machine's carrying capacity increases from 1,400 kg to 2,500 kg.